Charu, let me come to you instead. As we know, this is a BJP-ruled state. Late last night, this morning, the Congress has gone all gung-ho about what has happened in that very school. It's unfortunate that we are seeing this kind of hate perpetrated at the school level, and it's very visible. That teacher might apologize and say that I didn't mean to, but that video speaks loud and clear. She said very clearly, asking for all the boys to hit that very Muslim boy, using that word "momdan," slap him harder. You know, that's really a teacher who's saying it herself. One would expect much better wisdom.
Nabila, being a mother myself, looking at violence inflicted on children in school is always painful. And this case is no different. I think the education system needs to be improved to a level that teachers don't need to resort to all this. Teachers understand that kids can be taught with love and they will learn better when taught in love. That being said, as sad this incident was, this was not one which had a communal angle at all, till the opposition introduced one. And I'll tell you why I'm saying this. The parents of the child have said that there was no communal angle. The person who was recording the video was a chacha of the child, and he has said there was no communal angle. The police has given a statement and they have said there is no communal angle, and the locals have refused it too. The teacher says that जो मुझसे गलती हुई है वो तो माननी पड़ेगी, लेकिन मेरे स्कूल में ज्यादातर मॉमडन बच्चे हैं. I'm quoting her verbatim. She said this in Hindi. I'm repeating it. That I admit what I did was wrong, but most of the kids in my class are in my school also are mostly Muslim, and I don't draw any distinction between the two. And I also want to draw a parallel.
No, I would ask you, are you going by what the justification that the teacher said? Are you admitting that or accepting it to be...
the teacher was at fault?
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yes, and because also the justification she gives saying that I did not mean to say so, it sounds very...
Nabila, but let me finish. And also the NCPCR has asked for an explanation of the teacher. It's not like there is going to be no inquiry against her. But a teacher doing something wrong against a student should not always be painted in these Hindu-Muslim colors, and I'll tell you why. Before Uttar Pradesh elections, there was an incident from the city of Aligarh, and that incident was greatly publicized all over the country. There was a person whose beard was cut. The opposition even at that time gave it a communal angle. Much later, after investigation, after his own statement, we came to know that there was no communal angle to this.
But
there
Charu,
was an internal fight.
It's just
so
very
over
hard.
Here,
it's very hard to believe when you say and when the teacher says there is no communal angle here. Because the video playing out, and we played out that video through the day today on our channel, very clearly suggests that the teacher asked the boys to come and hit a Muslim boy. Sare momdan ladko ko maro. That's more or less communal in nature. So, the statement itself is communal in nature.
And she also says that she used that word because she was calling out to all the kids and their mothers who make the kids miss exams to go away for the holidays. And she says this also. Also, I think the whole statement of the teacher needs to be played out. She explains it. The person who's recording this video has also said this. It's very important we keep this in mind, Nabila, because it is not nice to flame these communal fires. Unfortunately, Congress has always done that. They will victimize the Muslims and then use them like a vote bank, like foot soldiers, without doing any sort of developmental work for them or anybody else.
I'll in fact bring in Dolly Sharma on that. Dolly, the issue has spiraled because of Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi putting that out on social media platforms. Yeah. It's now forced the NCPCR to also step in and file a suo moto complaint. The police have filed a suo moto complaint on that very teacher who doesn't seem to be regretting what happened. She says, yes, it's a mistake, but I've not heard a sorry from her.
Yeah. Actually, it's a blow to the country's social fabric. It was painful and humiliating incident with a child. We've seen, the statement of the child also you played in here. And also, for a teacher, you also be understanding this and knowing this. For a teacher, student is student. You don't have to use word Mohammedan here. And whether the child is good enough to learn everything or the child is not able to learn anything, for a teacher, it's not a Hindu or a Mohammedan. Student is a student. Using such words, clearly we can see this, in a video. And we've not seen the way her statements are also clear and are in air. The entire media is playing her statements. We've seen the way she's reacting on to. But it is clear. It's clear with the word Mohammedan that she was doing it clearly using a Hindu child to slap the Muslim child, and she was asking
it was
others
targeted.
also
In
to
your
come.
view, it was targeted.
She was also asking the other students to come forward and slap him tightly, come slap him again. The way it was very clear in the video. And now you are coming up pressurizing the family. After all this,
What makes you say that who's pressurizing the family? What makes you say the family is pressurized?
No, we see the mother, the statement of the mother earlier. We've seen that also, and here Charu Pragya is quoting some statement that the family is saying so. Earlier,
it's not Charu Pragya quoting it. It is the father himself who says that I don't want to wade into this. I want to withdraw my.
You're really disheartened. But the mother said you're really disheartened. It should not be the behavior of the teacher with the student.
I absolutely agree. What has happened is shameful, and that there needs to be strict action on that teacher. So this is not.
Yes, of course,
this really sets an example. In whatever sense, the teacher clearly here had zero sensitivity towards children, and knowing very well that issues like Hindu-Muslim could really flare up very quickly, she still went on to say what she said. Now she comes forward to first of all, it doesn't look like she shows any remorse. She just says, "Ha, galti hui hai," and that too, very how do I say, a sorry could have been something that would have been appreciated, but there was no sorry that came out of her. It was only, I admit that this is a fault. That does not translate into a sorry at all. But NCPCR has taken suo moto cognizance of the case. They have ensured that child will get counseling, and more importantly, that teacher is pulled up for what happened. We also have Sandhya Bajaj, who is a former NCPCR member. Miss Sandhya, ये जो हुआ है, बच्चों के ऊपर कैसा इम्पैक्ट होता है ऐसे अगर स्कूल के टीचर ही ऐसे करेंगे तो?
जी, ये बहुत ही गंभीर विषय है. देखिए, राइट टू एजुकेशन में सेक्शन 17 में कॉर्पोरल पनिशमेंट बिल्कुल बैन है, टोटली बैन है. और जे एक्ट की धारा 75 ये कहती है कि ऐसे व्यक्ति को अप टू 5 इयर्स तक इम्प्रिजनमेंट हो सकती है. आप ये देखिए कि अब इन्वेस्टिगेशन ये होएगी कि ये धार्मिक मुद्दा है या दूसरा मुद्दा है, ये बातें अलग है, इस पर मैं टिप्पणी नहीं करूंगी. लेकिन मैं सिर्फ इस पे कहूंगी कि बच्चे को एक बच्चे से ही पिटवाना ये एक टीचर का काम नहीं है. टीचर को गहन जांच का सामना करना पड़ेगा. और बच्चों पे जो आपने पूछा है, बहुत बुरा असर होता है इस बात का, जो बच्चे देखते हैं कि बच्चे से ही बच्चे को पिटवाया जा रहा है. खुद कितना पिटते होंगे, देखिए, चाहे आप बच्चे से पिटवाओ या अपने सामने देखो, ये सब क्राइम है, सामने दिख रहा है, आपका वीडियो हो चुका है. अब आप माफी मांगे तो ये गलती है, ये गलती नहीं है, ये अपराध है बच्चे का.
और ये अपराध के लिए पनिशमेंट क्या होगा?
उसमें उसका द बेस्ट इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द चाइल्ड आप लोगों को देखना है, ना कि बेस्ट इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द आपको अपनी पार्टी या अपना टीचरशिप. कि मैं तो देखो बैठी हुई हूँ, वो तो आराम से बैठी हुई है, वो बच्चा पिट रहा है. ऐसे अगर आप बैठी हैं, स्पेक्टेटर भी हैं, तभी भी आप मुजरिम हैं.
बच्चा पिट रहा है वो अलग. टीचर बोलती है कि बच्चे को और मारे, और जोर से मारे, और ज्यादा जोर से मारे. और मोमदन शब्द लेके बोला है कि ये लड़का, ये मोमदन को, ये लड़के को मारो. तो ये this doesn't look like a simple case. It doesn't look like a simple case of trying to reprimand that child for not doing his homework. It looks a lot more than that, and that's why we clearly see the police now filing a suo moto FIR with this regard. If this wasn't really communal in nature, we wouldn't have seen an FIR so quickly leveled against that teacher. Charu Pragya, for more on that. Charu, the FIR has been registered on that lady, and we appreciate the police to act swiftly. No doubt she's been pulled up. But as Dolly says, do you think, or I'd like to know your opinion on that, on whether there was any kind of pressure on the family members of that boy? Because even though the father says, I don't want to wade into this, there was no communal angle, he's withdrawn that child from that school. He's taken the TC from that school. He wants to stay away from all this controversy.
So, Nabila, first of all, I heard what the police from Muzaffarnagar have said. If you hear their statement, they are clear about two things. One, this was about a teacher behaving badly, and this teacher could have behaved badly with any student in her class. One kid was not singled out because of his religion. We need to remember that, because this is critical. Another thing is that NCPCR sent a notice to both the SSP and the DM. They've both been asked to conduct separate independent inquiries and send in their reports, and then accordingly action will be taken. So I think this is a good thing to have two separate inquiries sitting in there. The police is doing its work. The DM is going to look into the investigation. The teacher made a mistake, did something which is terrible. It's probably going to make this child fear going to school for a very long time, if not forever. But I still want to maintain that painting it in these communal colors is the wrong thing to do. It is dividing India, and we should refrain from doing so. And I can quote numerous instances when a particular instance has been misreported to have a communal angle, and then later on it turns out there wasn't any. If you remember the time, churches in Delhi were burnt out.
I find it very hard to believe that this case has no communal angle, even though investigation is on. That very the video itself shows very clearly that she's saying it. There can't be any more proof for her action.